Hello, good morning. Ayan. Meron din tayong ituturong isang exercise para naman sa mga may frozen shoulder like me. Ayan. Tapos, pwede kayong maghanap ng any tela. Sa tela na malinis. At saka wall na pwede nyo mag-exercise. So, parang ini-slide lang natin yung kamay natin. Parang to help na ma-stretch. So, anyways, let's start. Yan. So, ito yung wall. So, dapat ang kamay is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay? Pag inangat, straight pa rin. Okay? So, ito yung aking nakitang hindi man siya tela. Or any cloth anyway. So, straight lang yung kamay. Yan, 90 degrees. And then, itaas. Okay. Tapos, bilang ka ng 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tapos, do it 10 times. So, naka-1 ka na. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Sorry, ayan, hindi ko na pala na-i-stretch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9. Okay, that's for the day.